Hey there, Rob Wells with you from the Law Office of Robert M. Wells. Our office specializes in helping out landlords and property managers deal with their landlord-tenant problems. In this video, we're going to talk about when can you demand your tenant to pay rent. Before I begin, though, landlords, property managers, if you're dealing with a non-payment of rent situation and you're confused about what's going on and you just want to be done with it, you just need help with dealing with your landlord-tenant problem, please feel free to reach out to us below. Now let's begin. Now, I just ran into an issue with a landlord where they did their own notices to pay rent and they didn't do the notices right. And as some of you may know, 3-day notices to pay rent or any type of 3-day notice, the law is not forgiving with little minor mistakes, such as, when you demand rent, rent can only be demanded when rent has become due and has become past due. So for example, if your rent is due on the 1st of the month, in many cases, if there is no grace period, then you can demand rent on a 3-day notice as of the 2nd of the month after it becomes delinquent. Some good leases actually spell that out in the lease, but even if your lease didn't have that information in there, it's generally you can use a 3-day notice to pay rent or quit after the rent has become due and it hasn't been paid. So a lot of landlords, sometimes they may put the wrong due date in there, or the period of time for the rent that's due is inaccurate. That will get your case thrown out in court. So it's very important to be detailed. And again, if you're just kind of done with, hey, I don't want to deal with the technicalities of a 3-day notice to pay rent, and you're just fed up, you just kind of, just need some help dealing with a non-payment of rent situation, we're here to help out. Folks, until next time, we'll give you another video. Until then, we'll see you then. Thanks.